Alright, that's it. As the name implies, the declarative question is a question that has the structure of a declarative sentence. So why do we call it a declarative question? We call it so because it has the function of a question, meaning it needs information. It wants answer, needs an answer. So we'll call it a question because it's only a question that demands an answer. How do we know, therefore, that it is a question? It is usually shown by a rising intonation. The intonation will rise as if it's a question. So let us see an example. You brought the money. You brought the money instead of you brought the money. You brought the money, the intonation will rise, which is actually the intonation used for yes-no questions. So by that, the listener will know that it's a question that is asked and not a statement. That is the point. Now, you also realize that we have a question mark at the end, not a period that we usually use for a statement. It's that question mark in written form that will show that it is a question. Because in written form, if we put full stop, we cannot pronounce this, we can't read this sentence with a rising intonation. But once we see a question in front, instead of reading it, you brought the money. You brought the money, it will not be, you brought the money, the intonation will have to rise. You brought the money. Now, that is what we call the declarative question. Let's just take another one too. He came late, instead of he came late. He came late, so the intonation rises. These two are examples of the declarative question. And so we have tidied up the types of questions. Remember, we have taken two types of sentences by function. We have seen the declarative sentence, which is also called a statement. We have not seen the interrogative sentence, which is also called the question. We will now move on to take other types of sentences.